Suprabhat, good morning and welcome in this learning of pranayam where we are teaching how pranayam can help you fight with corona. What is pranayam? Pranayam is a yogic breathing technique. It is an ancient Indian science given by sage Patanjali almost 2500 years ago. It is a golden gift to the modern world. Especially in these times of corona, pranayama will come for immense help to help you fight corona. To know more, join us and find out how pranayama will help. Pranayama is a part of Ashtanga Yoga. Pranayama has multiple and immense benefits. We are going to tell you a few of them. The most important thing that you should know is the increase in vital capacity. Why does it matter? Around an average human being is using 35 to 40% of their lungs. Yes, we have a capacity of 100%, but we are using only 35 to 40% of our lungs. Say corona inactivates around 10 to 15% of your lungs. How will you survive on that 20%? So, increasing the vital capacity of lung is very, very important. That is one immense benefit that pranayama will give you. It will increase your vital capacity, increase the capacity of your lungs. The second important benefit, it will enhance immunity. With these two benefits, you will 100% be able to fight corona. The third, any respiratory ailment that you are suffering from will be tackled with pranayama. It enhances memory. It decreases insomnia. So many people are battling with sleeplessness. Pranayama will help them sleep. With me, I have Dr. Sudhakar Pedkar, the yoga expert and founder of Yogvardhini Institute. And yes, welcome. Now he will be telling us that who should be doing the pranayams, who should not be doing the pranayams, and what are the restrictions before we begin. Okay, so Dr. Sudhakar, who can do the pranayams?
Anybody can do the pranayam. There is no obstacle, no restriction regarding doing the pranayama. Only small children who are not developed below the 12 years or 14 years, they should restrict from doing the pranayama. There is no obstacle of the race, age, sex, nation, anything. There is no obstacle.
Wow, that's such an amazing thing that each and every one of you can actually do the pranayam. Only children who are below 12 years of age should start their practice after they get into the 13, 14, 15 and the later years of age. As you said, anybody can do pranayam except for kids who are less than 12 years of age. But are there any times particularly when an individual should not do pranayams?
When there is an acute fever, running nose, then your vertigo, then some pain in abdomen, some recent cardiac problems, they should avoid it doing at that moment. And after that, they can start it after going the ailments.
So those who are suffering from fever, running nose, cold, that means you are not well at that point in time. Should avoid doing it, but definitely when you will become alright, you are treated of that ailment, you can start doing the pranayama.
Yes.
So as you also mentioned, doctor, that some people have to do pranayam under expert guidance. So who are those category of people? Who are those who should be doing it under expert guidance?
You see, those who are suffering from the hypertension, that means blood pressure, those who are suffering some cardiac ailments, chronic cardiac ailments, then having diabetes, that is blood sugar levels are high, and other peoples who are suffering from the cancer or some other postpartum women, pregnant women, they should take the expert guidance. Having some psychological problem, they can also take the expert guidance and then they can start their pranayama.
Wonderful. So those who are having hypertension, cardiac problem, diabetes, any kind of chronic illness like cancer, asthma, COPD, women who are pregnant, who have just delivered, these all should do pranayam and yogasanas under expert guidance.
Yes.